there. Okay, cool. Be live. Copy that. Go on YouTube. Paste that.
Who's that?
Good morning.
Funny. Yo, what up, bro? What's up? Looking today on GJ. Well, what did I say yesterday? What was the target again? 136.
136.
And we're gonna tap it today.
3.
GJ targets was
Man, Jimmy had
136.
wait, did you ever run it like that?
I gotta stop that entry. After New York yesterday at 11.
Jimmy got 100 pips, bro. That's crazy.
That's a nice trade. That's where he hit entry. He told us he hit entry.
I know. I don't know. He got 2 trades in too. So I think one of them was probably like 40 pips. The other one's 100 pips.
Oh, okay.
Something like that. But yeah, bro, I swear both of them like were like a pip away from his entry. Crazy.
Alright, cool. What up, everyone? Good morning. Welcome to this live stream. Welcome. Yeah, I think today's target is still the same on GG as it was yesterday. You know, 136, 300, 400 level. Same targets on GG. About to have a buy stop here actually. This is like a fucking gulag move, bro. Actually, 4 hour is, yeah, 4 hour is good. 4 hour is clean.
Man, Forex been clean as hell. Easy trades.
Yeah, target is still the same, guys, as yesterday. Yeah, we should go to this today. It looks a lot more probable today. We're like what? 50 pips away? Yeah, it's very I have a buy stop here, guys, on GJ. I'm gonna have a buy stop on GJ right here on this candle high. Settings, text, GP, buy. Stop. Why does it look like this though? Buy stops, left. There you go. Sure, it makes sense. Actually, what's center? Hey guys, this is my buy stop on GJ. We got news today? We got 56 viewers. Nice. Welcome everyone. We got no news. Damn. Yeah, guys. Yesterday's target. Yeah, remember yesterday, guys. Yesterday. I called targets to 136. Right. The weekly target is still the same. My weekly target is still 130, 139. It might not happen this week. It might be like next week. But my daily target's been pretty tapping. So I think this target is very achievable today. We can probably pop that target once we break this resistance level right here that we're creating. So GG came up to make a resistance here. I think if it does go up, I think it's gonna make a support down here or something. Then we're gonna have a little range here for us to go up.
Yeah, I kind of wanted to come down.
Cause like yeah, this 1 hour candle has no support to go up. I think what's gonna happen is yeah, we're probably gonna do something like this, guys. We're gonna go up, come down in the range a little bit, and then eventually, you know, range in this range, and then eventually we're gonna break above it, pop out, and then eventually go up. That
Boy, oh boy.
that's probably gonna be what's gonna happen, GJ.
Boy, oh boy. Oh my days.
Chimbo.
Oh my god.
Man hit 100 piece, bro.
Bruh,
And
that
dropped
bitch
a
still
Will
run.
Chamberlain on the asses.
Bruh.
Wait, so you entered after during Asian or some shit?
Right in London.
It went 100 pips in London?
No, it
Yeah.
did this. No, my bad. In Asia, like at like 11 o'clock, because it did this one movement. Where I
Oh,
was like,
you
wait,
had 2 entries, that's why.
yeah, two
Oh,
entries.
God.
Like I put one in Asian, then I saw another. I put another one like right before London, bruh. Then when that news came out, yo, that retrace scared me, bro. I'm like, no, let me get my shit stopped out. And it said, yeet. Kept going. Show pips.
Your vessels are there. Where do you put stop loss in 30-minute wick? Probably previous 1 hour candle. Or current 1 hour candle. So probably this candle, yeah. This kind of has a wick to fill, so it's not as bad as having like. This would be a gulag move if it closed like this. If this kind of closed like this above, because then you have no support here. See, no support to the right here. You only have support. Well, we broke resistance here, but like since we have a range to go up here, this is not really a gulag move. We should probably fill that wick to go up. Eventually, look like this.
Nah, this isn't a gulag move.
Just hell no, this ain't no.
We're at like a 30-minute resistance. So,
Nah, because the gulag move is like when you don't have.
I know.
Like a gulag move isn't for me isn't like just a stop loss. It's like an actual move, like literally like an actual play, like an actual like specific candle structure thing.
But like, I don't know. This looks pretty probable if it breaks 30-minute high.
Yeah, because this kind of has a wick to film. So. I'm gonna go with small lot in this position though. Very small. Oh shit, 65 viewers, welcome everyone. Man, yes is live stream, guys. If you guys were in it, man, you guys would ate. We were on the streams for 4 hours, man. 4 hours. We finished at 10:30. 4-hour live stream. So you know, today we're gonna go for 8 hours. I'm playing.
Bruh, no, I'm done.
Yeah, I think we should pop up to fill a wick here. Something like this, probably. Once it breaks the 30-minute high, we should pop up like this.
It's good, man.
That's about.
Only thing is though, like if it breaks after the 15-minute candle, then I don't think I wanna. I don't know. Cause last 15-minute hourly.
I was gonna try to buy last entry Asian off this, but I'm like, you know, that's whatever. I'm not gonna re-hop on the charts. I took one trade, took a last entry Asian. I'm like, oh, you know what? This trade, if I take this trade, so it'll be my second trade for Asian. It was very probable. Look, 4 hour broke the lows and then closed bullish, right? Wick fill, and it was only like a 14 pip stop loss on level 4 hour time frame. I'm like, oh, we're gonna pop up, and I'm like, nah, whatever. If it happens, it happens. Not like caught or some shit. So you guys, man, stick to your rules. Bad profits and good profits. No difference between both. Once you know the difference between bad profits and good profits, guys, that's when you're gonna become very profitable. I'm telling you. Not every profit in Forex is good profits. Trust me.
I got 10 pips during London.
Oh shit, you're up. So you just sleep or what?
No. I changed my sleep schedule for this week.
Why, you sleep during Asian?
No, I don't sleep during any of the sessions, bro.
Bruh.
I'm a 3-session demon.
This guy,
Yeah, London monster.
Yeah, bro. Me and Robert in the cut.
Bro, I was up, bro. Look,
Bro,
I want to sleep at 12. Woke up at 2. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna go in for a buy. This shit looks too clean.
I think gold is creating a fake
yeah,
out
bro.
here.
You have some nice entries.
Whose mic is that? Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm joking.
You said what? Like, what?
Yeah, that's what I thought, huh? Meet your mic.
Hey, you like soccer? Cause you're about to get kicked. Like, what?
Hey,
Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha. Looking at us.
Guys, I think gold is gonna pop down the Phil's range here at 1808. Man, 1811 tapped yesterday. Tapped. You know the vibes. It was tapped. It's actually crazy. I think today gold. If you do go bullish today, I think we could probably expect. What does the market? Hey, real market maker. What do you see today? What was it again? Oh, okay, I got you. Don't tell him. He said it was 1825, bruh. He's the market maker
bro,
just said.
put him on speaker.
Nah, you
Hello?
can't.
Is market maker support?
He said, what was it again? 1826? Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, yeah, so you said, yeah, gold should pop up to 1826 today if you do flip bullish today.
Yeah.
I think once you break this resistance level that we just created here, we're making our range right now.
So close to my target, man. Just hit that bit. It's like go right to sleep. Or get some sleep.
Bro, just close.
Yeah, for right, so
Close half.
I
Secure.
mean, it's a runner.
go-
Just don't
close
watch
to
it.
your
Just go to
target.
sleep and don't watch it. It's a runner.
Nah, bro. We staying up.
Because runners are just like TP or stop loss. I mean, entry. Hey, bro. Appreciate it, bro. 96 pips. That's amazing, bro. That's actually good work. Good work. GJ is bullish. Don't listen to anyone else. If someone's telling you that GJ is bearish, I don't know, man. Because there's a lot of traders telling me that GJ is bearish, and I did not agree. I was like, how is this bearish? You know, it looks pure bullish. But they're like, oh, well, because I think that this is gonna reject off this level because we have a double top here on something time frame. I forgot what it was.
First word you
But
said was up.
I think
I think it was
Gotta go up with your
I
ski.
forgot what he said, but like, yeah, GJ is gonna flip reverse here because this is the max
Okay.
level it's reached since for years. This is a
Max
rejection
level.
level since 2017, so we should reject off here and
Are you sure?
something like that. I don't know what he said, bro. But you know, just you guys, just listen to yourself, bro.
That makes like, bro, if you see the daily bullish, 4-hour bullish, hourly bullish, why would you think of sell?
Well, because some people like having a wick entry and they like to cash reversals, alright, bro? And
Bro, like-
that's how they're gonna lose money, and that's all. It is what it is. They gotta learn by themselves, but it is what
Bro,
it
it's
is.
like this dude on my freaking Instagram. This man stay catching wick entries, whatever. I'm like, bruh, you just doing this shit to flex. Like, no one give a fuck. Right? My bad for cursing. Like, bruh, this dude stay be like, weak entry this, weak entry that. I'm like, bruh, one, you're over leveraging. Two, you're going against the trend. Because if you look away from the screen, they're not retracing. You're done. Cause that's just a little retracement, so you just keep pushing up. Right, man. Different strokes, different folks, bro. I ain't here holding nobody here.
Yep. I'm gonna delete this buy stop, guys, on GJ, and look for another opportunity later on. Buy stop's been deleted. I think yeah, we're doing exactly what I mentioned. I think this is like a semi gulag move. It's like, right? Cause like look, there's no support being made here to the right here, right? So price has to come down to make that support. So we're probably gonna pop like this, right? We're gonna range here for a bit. Come down. If this support gets held and we actually close bullish around the support, I can actually say that might be a low for us to go up, and I'd rather enter down here to go up, you know, like this, than to wait for an actual breakout above this range. Then look, see, we're gonna pop up like this. We're eventually gonna pop up, and then we're gonna pop up. But I think we're coming down right here to make support. We don't know where yet. We don't know. We have no idea where the support's to be made yet because price is still continuing down. But the next logical support is probably gonna be this level here because you have these supports. If you do break that, we're probably gonna pop down to this level. From what I know, from what I experienced, gulag moves, whenever they happen, they probably pop down to these levels down here, right? So if that happens, I'll be pretty happy because I'll have a bigger range for GG to go up. But let's see what happens here. See what happens here. Look, US 30. Remember buy stuff's not delete them. Doesn't make sense anymore. We broke the lows. Close bearish as well. 30-minute. Oh, come down here probably. I think this Ranger they're just made. Oh, we're gonna pop down on this candle actually. This candle right here, we're gonna pop down. You're gonna fill his wick and eventually come down to this level on US30. Easily come down. Like so. Yeah, probably pop down to this level. Where's my tool? Cool, perfect. We got support here. Yeah. Pop down, use 30, do your thing. Why is this color like this? Sure. Same color? I have OCD, yeah, it is the same color. Yep, gold is gonna pop down as well. Oh, gold did pop down, there we go. Gold popped down just now to that target. There's a fake out. So now we have a high chance of continuing down here. Right, because I said how gold's at the beginning of the stream, I said gold, how we broke out of the range here, right? We made support, we broke that support, came down to the next support. See? It's a fake out. Price breaks above the range and comes back in the range to fill it. And now we have a 75% chance of continuing further down to the next level. Potentially like around these levels, right? But just careful, gold is very bullish, so yeah. If you're in it, if you got in where I mentioned, then just leave a runner, but other than that, don't look for my entries here. You missed the entries up here. Yep. You just should come down here. You should come down to these levels. But we have a high chance to come down to these levels down here. So it's kind of good though. You have a bigger range later to go up. This right here, once it plays out down to here, it's a gulag move. I need a coffee, man. Oof. Had a coffee yesterday. During the streams, I made a coffee like 2 hours in. Oh man, I extended the stream for another 2 hours. I was so hyped. Yeah, I need another one today.
No wonder we didn't get off.
Yeah, bro, we didn't get off yesterday. It was like just pure knowledge. It was like boom, boom,
Pure
boom,
knowledge.
after knowledge, after knowledge, after knowledge.
Life story.
Are you still holding your runner?
Me? No, I gotta stop the entry.
Oh.
And I just dropped my thing down. Fuck. What should I get now?
Knowledge, life story, knowledge, life story. Mink, 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 mink.
Hold on, guys. Alright, cool. We are back. Back with another video. Today, we'll be talking about... Oh, it's Thursday today, right? So Thursdays, there's no day for that. Yo, I should have like a specific event for every day of the live streams. Like, have like some, like, you know, Wednesdays was like, what was it? What was it, Robert? Wednesdays was, Knowledge Wednesdays or something like that. I forgot what it was, but Fridays are
Something like that.
Friday lessons. So you have like lessons on Wickfills, whatever, or whatever it is, technical analysis. I think Yeah, if I have something for every day,
Yeah,
we count that.
that'd be nice.
It's
That'd be
like
better
it's like a
organized.
school schedule.
That's gonna get more viewers too.
Yeah.
Should at least. I would think.
I'm late. What did I miss? Well, I
Nothing.
gotta. I'm saying to the office, get a late slip because you show up late to the streams today. So you better go get a late slip. Taco Tuesdays,
Alrighty.
bruh. How am I
Boy,
gonna
it is
give everyone
Taco
tacos in
Thursday.
there? You know, it was easier back like last month when we had like 8 viewers. You know, but now it might be a little rough. I'm not gonna cap. Might
Yeah,
be
I'm
a little
spinning on
rough.
tacos, bro.
Be a little rougher. Oh, what I missed? You missed nothing. All you missed was a gulag move right here on GJ. That's gonna come down to the support, and then we have a high chance to come down to the support. Guys, just saying, a gulag move is different from a fake out. They're different, and a gulag move is not just a stop loss hit. It's not just a loss trade. A gulag move is a specific move that I think only I have in the books. Where I discovered the name gulag, so I don't know. I mean, people might have it, but I don't know. It's not something that I just seen, you know, a lot of times. So I just gulag. Never got from anyone else. You started dropping? Yeah, it is. It's gonna come down to the support here. US30. Say bye bye. Alright guys, say bye bye US30 here. Bye bye, okay? I want everyone to say in the chat. Bye bye US30. Alright, say bye bye.
Not buy US30, but buy US30.
Look at this.
Okay.
100-point move. Bye bye US30. Alright.
Bye.
Say see you later guys. Talk to you, catch
See
you later.
alligator. In a while, crocodile.
Alright, you're gonna see a waterfall here. I'll come back to it. Yo, Jimmy, how do you send stuff from your PC to your phone?
What you mean?
Like, you just... Is it some type of airdrop or something, bro? Because this new PC life in it, bro.
Oh, it's this thing called OneDrive. I think your
Oh,
PC
OneDrive.
It's called OneDrive, yeah.
So, like, I still gotta go on my phone out there and download it?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your bias if daily is bullish, but 4 hour, 1 hour are bearish?
Yeah.
So right, yeah, it's usually right now, I think. Yeah, 4 hour and daily is bearish. But, or actually, no, 4 is bullish. I don't know. It'll depend on the scenario. You gotta send me, like, you gotta tell me what pair, what it is. I'll look at it. Say bye bye, US30. Catch you later.
Xin chào. Yes.
Yeah, I'll come back to US30. When I come back, you better drop down to the support. They said you were a clean traffic move today, so let's see you do your thing. Check on gold today. Yesterday, your predictions were insanely on point. Yeah, today that was actually like my weekly prediction, like my weekly bias from Sunday opening, right? So 1811. But I think today, yeah, we came down here to the support. I think if this is a fake out, we have a higher chance of coming down to the next support. So we have a chance of coming down to the support if this is a fake out. It's just that I want to look for entries now, just because I would have entered up here as we close bearish here back in the range. Would enter in this candle, stop loss previous candle high, coming down to the support, and then leaving closing 75% here and leaving another 25% running down to the next support. But if you look for entries now, your stop's not to be all the way up here and just gonna be a negative risk to reward. So it wouldn't really make sense. And also on fake out moves, I don't really enter on like the second breakout. I enter on the first breakout, which is this one up here. This is me though. preference. Yeah, user should do the same here. I mean, GJ should come down here, have the support. So like here, we don't have like obviously when it has the support, it's not gonna be like boom boom. Like, this is a lot of traders will do this. They'll be like, yep, user's gonna come down to the support and then fly up like this. They'll draw an arrow like that. Well, like this is hard because like you don't know where the support's gonna be created though. Because yeah, sure, this is the next logical place for support, like next logical place. Because if you look left, there's some support here. But like we didn't actually close or anything bullish yet. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna come down like this, right? We're obviously gonna come down here, tap that support, and then what's gonna happen later is we're gonna range for a little bit. Range for a little bit. I'll say like something like this. Range, and eventually once we actually close bullish though, and we actually show signs of us coming back up to retest the highs, then we can probably pop further up, right? If we have something like this now, then you can pop further up, and then eventually pop up, and then pop up, and then pop up, right? And then we'll tap the daily target. But right now, there's no buys just yet. You gotta be patient. Oh, 1 hour's about to close bearish here. Perfect. Yep, GJ did just that, guys. GJ came down to make that support now. So step 2 now is we need some type of confirmation for us to go back up. Obviously, it's not gonna be this candle because it's unclosed bearish, right? So it has to be some a next candle. This is the first thing I said when I came to the streams. This Gula play.
It's when the candles form like that, right? Like bullish.
Yeah,
like,
no,
whatever,
no.
like,
When it's like when you have like some type of resistance that got broken, and you have a breakout candle, and then you don't have enough support to the right here. So what I mean by that is like, for example, what looks better here? Would you rather buy here? Would you rather buy
like that was a gulag move right over there, and then no,
I'm trying to find
yeah,
an example. It's kind of it's
I know,
a
I know
lot
what you're
more
talking,
harder
I know what you're
spot.
talking about.
Yeah,
But
like here.
this one, also the only thing is it was at right at like this 30-minute resistance, so it kind of rejected off of that, and then it was also.
I find like an actual breakout trade. Hold on, got you. Okay, is there a range anywhere or something? Come on. I find an example of a normal one.
Well, no, this was like a gulag move.
Yeah, this is a good move. I'm trying to find like a normal one, like what the difference is, you know? It's just a normal breakout.
Yeah, it's kind of like 50-50 or
like here. I guess here. This is something. See how there's like a resistance being made here? We have a support, and then you have a resistance at this level. You have a range here. So when this candle came out and broke the highs, no, this is not it. It's not it.
That's a good. I feel like that's a good trade. Like once
Yeah.
that candle,
Yeah,
once it
we
broke
broke
out
the
of
high.
there.
Yeah, that's a better
Yeah.
trade. So, yeah, find an example of a regular breakout. It's a regular break and retest.
No, so, like I know what you're talking about.
Yeah,
Like,
you know what I'm talking about, right? A lot more hard to spot. Like I didn't even add to the core set.
no, yeah, but it happens, bear.
There are times. You can just kind of spot it like naturally. Passive Timothy, congratulations, bro. Good stuff. Good stuff. Whoa, what's your take on go to the yesterday predictions? Like, hey, you guys daily emerge. What's up? What the fuck? Oh yeah, guys, like the stream if you guys haven't yet. Gold daily is bullish before and 1 hour is bearish. Gold 4 hours daily is bullish. Oh yeah, same thing as yesterday. Yesterday, we actually had a daily. The daily candle was actually bearish yesterday. This one, I'll show you guys. It was around New York session. This is what happened. Remember? Gold bias from these levels. So gold was actually bearish yesterday when we hopped on the streams. At that, I was saying gold's gonna continue up here as we close bullish here, right? And then we came up, filled the range, and then eventually popped further up. Yeah. It was around this level. It was around this level. Yeah, those levels there. Cause like, if like the bigger time frame is bullish and the smaller time frame is showing bearish momentum, all you gotta do is wait for some type of confirmation. It's just a very small confirmation to follow that daily trend. Kind of I gotta go more to depth with it, but I think that's kind of just stick to the daily trend, cause daily trends will take over the smaller time frames always.
Yeah, way easier to trade when the market's just moving in one direction.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just look for the same thing over and over again. Like,
Yeah.
so just any support.
But yeah, we're still bearish. We're still bullish on GJ. Gotta wait for some type of support. Me and broke behind GG is risky. 1 hour just closed bearish. Buys above this level should be good. Target today. If we break above this level, 135.
50 minutes didn't break that high.
135, 820.
What?
Today.
Oh, if.
Break.
You mean 136, right?
No, target today if you break 135, 820.
Mm.
If you break, like you know, that high.
Yeah.
Like these levels. I say like around these
I think
levels.
if you,
Like you know, like target if you break above like this range here, above here bias. Yeah. I think yeah, because we have the range that's done form, and then we're gonna have a pop up, and we gotta go up. But if you don't break this high today, this level resistance today, we're probably not gonna tap the target. We're just be in the range or come down here, cause like this move looks like it's gonna come down to this support, 135, 400. But I'm not gonna sell. I'm not taking any sells at all. But I think if Juju does come down, we could potentially come down to there. Cause this is a Gula move now. We actually close bearish. Should come down to the support. Support's very weak. There's no support here. It's on the left there. Mm, mm, mm. But I think it's if the first 15-minute time from candle closes bullish here, then we can say that we're gonna pop up.
yeah, I'm gonna look for buys.
If it closes bullish, I'm gonna look for buys as well. because this is the support that I tapped, right? So if this is a support and we actually show him bullish confirmation, we could pop back up to retest the highs and eventually come up. The
That's
15
a
high,
nice
yeah,
rejection.
the 15 minute is a nice like time from here. If it does close bullish, probably pop up, retest this high, and eventually break it. Yeah, this is good. But like I kind of want like 1 hour time frame, man. Hold on, guys. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Use the washroom.
Bro, I'm so tired, bro. I can't
Wait, you
sleep.
been up all night?
Bro, I only been working on like 2 to 3 hours of sleep for these past couple of
Yeah.
days, bro.
Unhealthy, bro.
Hell
Oh,
yeah.
that's Monday to Friday for us. I sleep on the weekends.
Damn. What? Where you work?
Kinda. I don't work a lot, but I don't work as much since I've been doing Forex more. But like
Sir.
I'll like sleep like maybe 4 hours a day. Then I'll take like a nap during the day and sleep more so on the weekends. I can do London session.
Hey, bro.
I'm tired though.
No cap. But I can't
Jimmy.
sleep, man.
Jimmy said, "Why sleep? Why sleep now? Like we're still young, you know."
Yeah,
Bruh,
that's how I look at it too.
bruh, look,
Like we
that's
just
my
grind for a couple years doing this.
yeah,
We
bro.
can
Like,
do
I'd
whatever
rather
we want.
risk like 3 or 4 years, you know,
Facts.
in my
Rather
20s.
than working a full time,
Right.
getting up early, 30 plus 20 plus years. Like
Like I won't even like put like an amount of years, but I'd rather risk like a few years than working out my whole life.
plus
You
we
know?
young too. Like
Yeah,
we
bro.
young, so why not?
Yeah.
Right.
For freedom, like for the rest of your life.
Right.
I'd rather
I
give
work-
up
I
a few
already have my
years
fair share
than
of
work
jobs. I
for the
don't
rest of my
want no more.
life. I don't care what no one says, bro.
I'm
I
good.
don't care. I don't care, bro. Like, bro, I be hearing my peers saying, "Oh, you know, go to college, this and that." I'm like, nah, bro.
Right. Okay.
I rather risk a few of my older years and you know
Exactly.
lose a little bit of money that I'll make back for sure.
Exactly.
You know,
Instead of saying like you never even tried, you never even took a chance. Invest.
you know what I'm
And
telling
they're
you,
gonna
bro.
be broke. I'm gonna
I
drive
know, bro.
past in my Lambo.
It's just like this, bro. You know, I'm 21, bro. I be thinking like,
Exactly, bro. Like we young. Like,
bro, I be thinking like different from 21-year-olds my age. I
mm-hmm.
mean, like people in
Facts.
my age,
Facts. Me
they
too.
just think about clubs, this and that.
Yeah.
I don't care about that, bro.
You just built different, bro.
I don't know, bro.
We
This is me.
different mindsets. We different mindsets.
I'm telling you, bro. People always trying to go to clubs shit for what?
They'll
You
see
ain't
it.
do
They'll see it
nothing,
in a
bro.
couple of years. They'll see it in a couple of years. They're gonna be
Yeah.
like, dang, Jimmy on it.
I'm telling you. Y'all lit now, but y'all finna be burnt later, bro. That's all I gotta say.
Right.
I'm telling you, bro. That's why I don't like going on shit like that. Like, yeah, I like going out, you know, it's fun or whatever, but not like how often these folks be going. Like, literally every freaking weekend I see these people out. Like, bro, what have you
They be
done? What are you
blowing
celebrating
money.
for?
I was just gonna say
You
that.
ain't
What you
nothing.
celebrating for? You ain't did nothing. You ain't got nothing
You
to
ain't did
celebrate.
nothing. You the goddamn 6 man that didn't score anything. You just caught 5 rebounds a game. Like goddamn, they've been
I feel like there's like two paths that a lot of people take in life. It's like either you go to school, not because you're having a lot of
I
fun
mean,
like in these years, like you have the best years of your life, so like in your like early 20s, whatever, late teens, like college and shit, and then
it's
the rest of your life is just kind of
it's basically like whatever like you do in your 20s. Well, like scout. I said scout. I said scout. Well, anything that happens in your 20s will like, you know, will guide you through what you're gonna go through the rest of your life. Really, like whoever you meet or whatever you do in your 20s is gonna determine.
for sure.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. Just think different. Cause yeah, even like, bro, I'm telling y'all, bro. Like, when my friends be inviting me to go out, or whatever, I'll be like, I'm gonna go home early because I'm bored. 'Cause literally, I'd be bored like 1 or 2 hours in. I'm like, this shit boring as fuck. I'm going home. Then like they get offended. I'm
What,
like,
in the
bro,
club?
yeah. And then like they get offended. I'm like, bro, I'm bored. Like, I'd rather go home and watch some freaking trading videos than be in the club right now.
Ooh, fits about close bullish here.
Yeah.
If you break the highs, I'm getting. Yep.
Like, you see Don, bro? He risked like a year and some months. I look at him now,
Nah, it was like 8 months.
bro. Oh, my bad.
Not even.
Quick one
Well,
still.
yeah,
Not
look
even.
at Don though. You know, he's a prime example. Give up, give up a little bit of fun, set yourself up for it. Good.
Oh, fun. Talking about school. Fun. Nah, I always had fun. I never gave up fun. That's just changes. I just made time for trading, but I never gave up anything. I just had a lot of time. That's why. I had work and that was it before. Or I just had work, go home. That's it. That's all I did. So I had a lot of time, so I didn't really give up much time. I stayed up all night for trading. But the one time I gave up, I guess, sleep. I guess, but other than that, it's like.
Sleep's not time.
What is time then,
Sleep's taking away your time.
Time is
Now we're gonna go into this talk. What is time? Time
time is an illusion,
is
man. Just numbers.
Some Albert Einstein type shit.
Can I still enter in gold? No, you can't enter in gold. Gold is bullish, yeah. Like Henry said, gold is bullish, or we just came down to the support here, because these candles have formed, right? Obviously, if this is a fake of us form, we're probably gonna pop down here. I think buys will be good above this level, continuing the bullish trend till it's 1826. Oh, I'm gonna buy here, guys.
Yeah. Stop at current candle, right?
Yeah, 10 pips.
Noise. How you went?
Going to buy here, guys, on GJ.
Yeah. Dang, bruh. Yo, when I woke up this morning, I'm like, ain't no way this is happening right now, bruh. I thought I was having like one of those prophet dreams or whatnot.
Profit dreams, bruh.
Yo, I'm telling you, bruh.
I swear I had one of those like a month ago. Like it was weird. I was in Toronto and we was all in like a room trading and talking. It was weird. And then I woke up and got on the stream like, what?
Cause I be having
Shit,
dreams about
saying
me
you a
catching
Toronto
like,
man, bro.
I promise I be having dreams about waking up me profits.
bruh,
I wake up in real
I was
life.
like, ain't no way I'm 50 pips in profit right now on a
Swear.
fucking runner. I was like, this shit not real, bruh.
Goddamn.
Then when I woke up, I'm like, oh, this is the real deal, bruh.
This
Hold on, cuz.
guy said,
Then
hold
that
on.
bit went up to 100. I'm like, hold on, cuz. Hold on, cuz.
That's crazy.
Yeah, guys,
That's a real milestone, bro.
50-minute close bullish
Right.
here.
Yeah.
Oof.
This is like one of my second biggest runners.
If it closes, yeah, I'm gonna
Close
enter.
bullish, yeah. Yeah, you enter now, your stops are quite smaller. But if you do break these lows, guys, you're probably gonna pop down here
I'm
to the
getting
support.
dogged in 2K right now. Let me get off this.
If you break this low, guys, we're gonna pop down to the support.
Yeah, this is like a buys and sell stops type play.
Yeah. No, I'm not selling though. I'm not selling.
Ow.
I'm not selling. No matter how clean it looks, no matter how much it makes sense, I can't.
Yeah. Just following the trend.
I would take sells if it was like a very good risk reward, like high percentage trade.
Yeah, pressure respect this
But
low,
you got
guys.
it once it broke the 15 high?
Yeah, I got him when it wants to go up there. Yeah, guys, as long as it respects this low, it should continue up here. This low right here.
Can't wait for the weekend, man. I'm gonna have some fun. I did good this week, man. Pretty good. Show y'all my new toy, bro.
Trend is your friend.
Your new friend?
Nah, my new
Sit hello.
my new glizzy, bro. Ow.
Yeah, bro, your little friend.
Shit fire. Home. That's gonna be my home defense mode. Ooh, it's
But what gun is it?
hard. gonna send it in the live stream. Bro. I want to talk about it on stream.
Sure.
It's from. Where is it?
Yeah, so what I'm expecting on GJ is this candle right here, guys. This candle right here should pop up. Why is it? Okay, there you go. This candle should pop up here, fill that wick, and then eventually we should eventually pop up to retest the highs and eventually break the highs. This is my first attempt for buys today. If you do break the lows here, we're probably gonna come down to the support. And no, I'm not gonna look for sells because I'm just gonna watch all sells happen today. I'm not gonna take any sells at all, no matter how good it looks. No matter how much the trade makes sense, I'm not gonna take any sells. But yeah, sells will be once we break below these lows. I think some people have sell stuff here. That's a pretty good idea. This kind of did close bullish, so yeah. But yeah, I'm bullish today, so that's what I'm thinking on buy here. Something on buy here.
This is like customized, and he's selling it to me. Sorry, bro. I gotta show you.
We got all the attachments.
Yeah, hella, yeah.
Figure out mag,
Yeah,
stock,
custom color, and some
tactical suppressor.
Oh no, bro. Suppressors ain't just illegal, bro. I can't get
Hella illegal.
No, it's not even illegal. It's just hard to get. Cause you gotta get a whole license. They gotta do a super background check on you. It's a whole super big fee. I'm not gonna pay no fee. No goddamn suppressor. You gonna hear these shots? Bow.
Only pussies use suppressor.
Bro, chill, bro. On streams, bro. How about y'all talking about some? Y'all talking about some toys?
Bro, see, the chat engages. What state do you live in for the silencer?
Alright, bro.
Bro, don't know what this seems talk about.
I can take result in percentages, maybe in the percentages.
Bro, it's the stream. It's the stream/podcast.
Fucking guns. I'm sick, dude. Trying to make a statement about life and Don coming talking about, nah, I don't do that. Oh man. Yeah, man. I have a lot of time when I was a little kid. I mean, when I was like 20, bro. Well, I'm 20 right now. When I was like 18, I had a lot of time when I was doing forex. So it's just overnight thing. When I tell you, bro, I used to think I had the magic, like some type of magic in me, because every time GJ or every time a pair at 2 a.m. at the London opening, I didn't know anything about London openings, right? So every day at 2 a.m. I'm like, oh, there's gonna be a spike here. Watch. So I was screen recording. I'm like, oh, see, there's a spike there. Yo, I found something. But then I realized after that it was just a bank opening. So I'm like, bro, what a waste.
This is was our XP.
Wait, what was that? What was that girl calling it? She was calling like the time sessions. Remember that?
What's one?
Oh, VIP. What was it? They said
it was some, I don't know, some weird name.
how much have you been trading altogether? Well, I made a total of $9.4 billion in a total in a total of 1 day. So I made all of it yesterday. I made all of it yesterday. Yeah. I made the market in 1 day.
Don is in the top 10 Forbes list.
I'm in the Forbes list number 1.
30 under 30, bro.
30, bro. 30 under 20.
30.
What is it? Oh, 30. How's it work?
30
I don't even know.
It's 30 under 30.
So how big are your stops here? Oh, it was like a 5-pip stop.
Bro, this is a donkey funny zone. Bro,
He dropped 100 line yesterday. No, I don't think that would make you billions, bro. That would make you like probably couple 100,000, but not billions.
right.
Billions, bro. You're probably gonna need to pop like a $5,000 lot like plus, bro. $1,000 lot or something, man. Like $20,000 lots or something, bro. Not even. I think like A shit ton of lots. That's all I know. But
That's a
y-
that's a lot.
I don't think the market even pay you, man. You gotta move the whole
Yeah,
market.
bro.
You're literally gonna move the whole. You make the whole move, literally. That's the goal. I'm
Wait,
saying
what would happen if you just bought like at that, like would it just buy? Would the market just
it'll
start to
move
buy?
about a little, like just a little shift, like barely though, cause like, we won't, like it doesn't
Shit.
move that much. Like that's if there are a lot of orders come in, like a shit ton of orders.
A $5.3 trillion market, so it's gonna take a lot of money to move it.
What broker do you use? Check the description. The last at the bottom of the description. That's my broker I use. Shout out to Uncle Ted.
Bro, if you're gonna put 100 million in a pair, you might as well just go with USD Max.
Bruh. Yo, I'm telling you, you could pop a standard with $200, bro.
Well,
Man,
why
bro,
would you
that's-
want to do that?
Eat
Only
options,
Jimmy
bruh.
could discover that stuff.
On
Yo,
USD.
you know what, bro? You can pop that a 2.0 on a $100 account.
Bruh.
Nah, you can pop a standard.
Jimmy, if you want to pop standards and you want to make it feel like standards, just pop go on Cheers them and just pop US 30 positions because
Hell no.
a standard's like a 0.01.
No, bro. No, I don't touch that no more. Man. Who are these dudes in GCH? I'm just trying to ride around my head kind of peace.
Yeah, I think if this 15-minute close is bearish, actually no, 30 minutes gonna be open. I lied, 30 minutes gonna be open.
I was
Yeah,
gonna say if the 30-minute close weak bearish, I'll probably close partial.
we're flipping bullish now. So if this is a liquidity wick, if that's a low, and then price should continue up here. If you flip bullish, well, we did flip bullish. This could be a low here on this count right here. Let's see. Stops on this trade was 10 pips, guys. What is size average of all your size? What is the average size of all your drops and lots? My average lots are I think it's I say average 6.0. I think that's the middle.
Yeah, this had Duck could try to explain what he said on COD, but it's so funny because then I got bad English.
God damn.
So,
Yeah, guys. I think I mentioned well, I didn't mention, but I think the 15-minute here on US 30 closed bullish here. So I think sells be good below that level. US 30. Yep. Streamers and social income. Oh,
we don't
the
discuss
question
that
is,
on here, man.
is trading your only source of income? I mean, I don't work anymore, so think about it. If I have to do live streams every morning and I don't work, and I spend the rest of my day just chilling, you know, there's your answer. Oh, guys, looks like we're gonna break the lows here, and there it goes. The lows have been broken on GG here. They're meaning that we are not in the trade no more, meaning that GG is gonna continue further down here. So we should come down to these levels down here. I am not gonna sell it. I'm gonna watch the sells happen, and there is my day. There's my day. Oh no, there's my one trade.
Rip.
Yeah, negative 10 pips for me on that one trade today. Trades taken. Trade. Um, Been hit. Negative 10 pips. Yeah, so I think actual buy should be above that key area over there, up there, that resistance. I mean that support. Now let me type this in. Trade 1 GPY. Buys negative 10 pips. Cool. Boom. There you go. Who's selling? Not me. I think Sam, you had a sell stop, no?
No, I don't have a sell stop.
Oh, they had a sell stop. Yeah, I think 15 broke the lows here. We should probably turn down here. It's just I'm really bullish today, so I'm not gonna take any sells at all. I'm gonna follow my trend. I mean my bias and just stick to it. Yeah. So what I said earlier was at the beginning of the stream I said how GJ this is a gula move, right? And this kind of should come down, right? It came down, cool. And I said how once you have some type of support formed and we actually close bullish, I mean we could say that could be a low of the range for price to go up. So then I answered a buy here on this candle, and then it broke the lows here. So the gray now, I guess this is not going to be the support that I made, and we should come down to make another support, I guess. But or if the 30-minute closes bullish, yeah, that would make sense
Yeah,
too.
just 30-minute closes bullish, it's like the exact same trade.
But it's gonna close bearish, I think. Yeah, so I think now like the 1 hour time frame, it's the next time frame that has a chance to close bullish. But I think if we break these highs here, it should be good. But yeah, we're gonna catch them later. Not really tripping about this. Yesterday, come to streams, perfect day. Today it took a small loss, but but like this loss is nothing to that big win yesterday. It was like a what? It was like altogether it was like a 60 pip move without the losses, something like that, like all combined, 40 plus 20, so about 60 pips, and then yeah, so this last year we can negative 10 pips. But so far for the week, I think we're up. Let's see. I kept track of all of it this week. She buys negative 10. But yeah, the key here, guys, is just be consistent. Show up every day, no matter what happens. Like show up to your routine every day. Whatever your routine is, show up to it. Yesterday, shot up, yeah, yeah, it did shoot up because I did say that. So I gave a signal here for a sell, right? And then I closed that entry because it's 15-minute close bullish here. So then yeah, came up after. See, that's why you gotta like. After every candle, you manage your trade accordingly. What's the best situation you do in this current candle? If I was in the sell here, I would not want to be in a sell here because this candle closed bullish. That's why we closed that entry, and that's how you manage the trades to a T, right? Because if you didn't, look at that, you still came back up. It broke the 1 hour high too. So now, like, we're probably gonna pop further up to this resistance here. What time trend do you follow every single time frame? Daily, weekly, monthly, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, everything. Every time frame matters. Every time frame matters, guys. Hold on, I didn't give you guys a pip count. Hold on. It was so. Someone have a calculator? Yes, Samuel, you wanna help me with this?
Yeah, I got you.
Alright. Start a week off with negative three pips. So actually no, we'll just do plus and minus after. Okay, so kids, do we start it? Good. Actually, yeah, we'll keep track. Okay, so negative 3 pips. Plus 80 pips. Plus 25 pips. Hold on, wait, did I give it wrong? Okay, so negative 9 pips. Plus 10 pips. Negative 8 pips. Plus 9 pips. Plus 44 pips. Plus 17 pips. Negative 12 pips. Plus negative 10 pips. What was that?
Plus negative 10?
Yeah.
What you mean? You said plus negative
So
10.
negative 12 and negative 10. My bad, that's what I meant. Like negative 12.
143.
Oh, 143 pips for the week on GG so far. Not bad, not bad.
Pretty good.
That's
Pretty good.
bad. Oh, my bad.
Just catching 10 pips here and there every time. See? Imagine. See? You guys notice the trend though? Do you guys notice the trend in that? What's the trend? The trend is the losses are all kept small. The biggest loss this week was 12 pip loss. That was the biggest loss this week. The smallest loss was 3 pips, and the biggest win was 80 pips. So runners, keep your losses short, small, and your winners big. It's the key.
Looks like gold should come up here.
Oh yeah, I did. 30 minute, yeah. 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 Thoughts are way too big though.
Yeah, like 30 pips.
Holy shit. Yeah, so yeah, who asked me to go gold earlier? The 4 hour is bearish, but the daily is bullish. This might be the start of the trend to go up again. This might be the lowest you see price in a minute. This is like the same exact move for DJ last night during Asian. I mean, last New York from yesterday's New York session. Remember? Where was it? It was New York yesterday was around this time. It was right here. This candle right here. Same type of entry on gold right now to go up. You knew Kurt candle, I guess. That's like a 30 pip move right there. Yeah, I haven't got a move here. I think you can call this a range now. You can now call this a range, a little range we have here. Because we made a resistance obviously, and now we're making support. So this is a range, right? That's how ranges are created. You create a resistance, you create a support, and there's your range. Supply and demand, same thing, right? So now we're preparing a range here for a little bit. This is a more tradable range though. You close bullish here, you can probably pop up. Yo, Sam, so I made sure to take during London last night.
Hello?
Hello, sir?
Sir?
Are you there, sir?
One, two.
How are you? Yeah, I'm here. How many trades you take last day?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's GJ. GJ Bias.
So yeah,
have-
runner's still going, right?
Yeah. Both of
Yeah.
them still going. Thank you, God. I almost got stopped out. I was like, nah, bruh, nah, bruh. I got
Hold
you
on,
this
bro. I
week.
got you, bro.
I got you. I got you, young bull. Don't even worry about it. I'm sitting here customizing my Hellcat. Okay.
Yeah, I think gold has a clear move up here. 1812, and then eventually pop up later on to follow the daily trend at 1829, 1826. If you do pop up today. 1826 is a day targeted on gold.
Yo,
Yo,
your mic keep cutting off, bruh. What's up?
it does? No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it kept cut. I'm like, yo, Don, what you say?
Gold target 1826. Gold today.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. Cause I was like, bro, it keeps cutting out. I'm like, bro, I think something's wrong with your mic, my brother.
Check GJ. Yeah, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at GJ. We broke the 15-minute highs there. Let's see. I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute close probably, or the 1 hour close here. Or if we break this high here, we should pop up here. Yeah, I took one attempt on it. It's my second attempt on GJ.
Got GJ though.
Yeah, once it breaks that 1 hour high, it's gone.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, guys, looking like GJ wants to show me another opportunity for a buy here soon. You can pop and look for a buy soon. I think once the 1 hour closes here. 1 hour closes in 20 minutes here, or yeah, 30-minute broke the highs
Bro,
though.
time passed by fast. It's already
yeah.
7:30. What the heck?
That's too big.
Dang, bro. Gold's been kind of clean. I'm not gonna lie.
Gold has been really clean.
Yeah.
Super, super duper clean.
Yeah. But I don't touch it no more, bro. I'm still scarred.
Why not, bruh?
I'm
Why
scarred,
not,
bro.
bruh?
You know, it's part of like bad part of the psychology. I can't do it when I'm scarred. Never again, bro. Emotionally scarred for real. Ah.
I don't know, gold's quite like gold's always been like that's like my first pair I ever traded. It's always been the pair I've traded a lot in the past.
This like, yeah, I'm smooth and all, but nah, bro, I can't do it. I can't do it.
Robster. place. What's up, bro? You said yo. What up, yo?
Yo, what the hell
What
going
up, bro?
on, twin? Hop in YouTube chat.
Ooh, gold's popping up here. Gold is popping up here.
GJ is playing. No, it's not playing. It's just still.
Yeah, GG's not playing. It's just moving
doing-
regular. It's just doing
moving
it's normal. I don't know. People think like, man, this shit's playing me, man. This shit is not.
It's
making-
doing the no, bro. Let's chill, man. We
Like
got it.
once you start to like have a lot more experience, like a lot more like I guess time on charts, more
Yeah.
experience, I guess. These things are just normal now. Like this is normal. Like this is just a range. This is like bound to happen, right? This is just a range. Remember?
Yeah.
Like we broke the highs. I think once we actually break the 1 hour highs in this scenario, we should be good to go. But other than that, I'm not gonna take a trade. Unless like the 30-minute close like a strong bullish, right? But I think yeah, it's wait for the 1 hour here. But yeah, it's not really an entry here for me or anything. I mean, you could have had buy stops here, I guess. This would have been a good an entry, but I think stops would have been like had to be below here. But yeah, I'm waiting for this 30-minute candle close, and then we or break up this resistance to just go up. How many pips was the gold sell? Gold sell was like about, I think when it got into streams at 6:30. It was like, I think it was around this area. It was like a 34 pip move. Yeah, so trades called. Trades that I called, like, I didn't actually enter, right? So they don't actually count towards the pip count. Just trades that I called. The trades that I'm actually in, like I didn't actually like give like signals with, those are trades that are actually in the pip count. But trades called, nah, those are just like throwaways. Like a throwaway track, you know? A little bonus track.
Like an EP, bro.
It's an EP. Wouldn't this be a break and retest? Yeah, I guess you broke a resistance, you retested it here. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. This is the next support here. Just have no confirmation just yet. So you may broke the highs with that. I guess that's one, but other than that, like, confirmation for me. I think once that closes here, 30-minute, I'll look for buys. It's the second attempt. So you call off a setup analysis. But not pull a trigger. Yeah, because I want to trade gold. Well, I'm not trading gold right now. I'm just trading future. Just have focus. I call trades for the stream. It's a free stream, right? But I'm not gonna enter every single trade I call. Because if I try to enter every trade I call, I'm gonna be over trading for a day. Come on, mans.
Yeah.
You've been in this stream for how long now? You know this. You've been here since 1776, bro. So instruments you don't trade, you do sub analysis. What? Jimmy, bro, am I tripping or what? Yeah, man, I said you've been alive since 1776, bro. You know this. You're the oldest guy here. God damn, man. How old are you? 2020 minus 1776. How old is that? This guy in this live stream right now is 244 years old. God damn, bro. Holy shit. So.
Vampire.
Damn.
Dang, we got vampires in the bit. Okay. Yes, sir. This man been around since the first trade, man.
Three circle of life.
Hmm?
Three circle of life. I don't know.
I don't know.
Hey guys, you're just not really moving here. I'm not really getting anything I want here. It was only that first attempt there, and that was it. I think we're following that support now, so I think once you break the support, we should pop down here to the next support. But hey, what's a century or two of Rigash? The first show was in Amsterdam, 1602. Damn. So that was you? You were there too?
This man called it, bro. He sent a live analysis.
This guy. Yeah, it's 3 times my age. Hey guys, yes, yesterday when I said I ranked up the days that I like trading. Remember? Thursdays was my least favorite day.
Like
Wednesday's my favorite
Monday.
day.
I'll
Thursday
type
was
it again.
nice.
The first one, my best days are on Mondays, I think. Then you got Tuesdays.
Yeah.
Then you got, what was it? What was the third one? It was I think Friday and Wednesday, and then Thursday. These are my like overall for the past like couple months. This has been my best days, my best works. Wednesdays yesterday, obviously the second last year, but obviously yesterday was a pretty good day. Usually Monday, Tuesdays are pretty good. Fridays are pretty good for me. Thursdays are a bit. Like, they used to be crazy when I used to trade US30 in gold. I think now it's usually like Thursdays is pretty rangy some most majority of the time. So okay, so New York's supposed to open here in 10 minutes. So we should get some volume in, bro. I'm making coffee, bro. I'll be back in like 5 minutes, bro. I need coffee.
Don't come back.
Yo, hold it down, Jimmy
Creep
and
on.
Robert.
Alright. Gang.
Don't board them out.
Alright,
You got any
bet.
stories? You got any stories, Jimmy? Any
Alright.
Forex stories?
What's up? Live stream. What up?
What down be like? Make sure you like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Drop a like. You gave it
Drop
1800.
knowledge, so drop some likes.
Noise. Been rolling on the pips. Gotcha. What's up, bro? Y'all got any questions or anything, man? Your boy Jimbo and Robert holding it bit down. You hear me? What y'all think? What y'all think Gold finna do today? What's up?
I ain't looked at gold in so long.
Gold finna do the dash today. I don't care what no one say.
It's like every time I see gold do something nice, I be like, oh, I'm
It does.
trade
This
gold.
is doing the same play all week, bro. It does
I
this
swear.
major like hard rejection, right? After the hard rejection, it just been shooting. It happened like think Tuesday night. Oh, what was that Tuesday? What's that? 3 days ago. Monday. Did that pretty hard rejection. What's that?
I mean, it's about to retest the monthly highs. So
100 pip, motherfucker.
I guess it's almost back to where it's been highest, like
Yeah.
like 18, 15.
What's your broker, bro?
Right now I've been doing KO King of Trades, but I've been doing FTMO though.
Bruh, let me tell you, bruh. Let me tell you how bad this KLT like fucked me up, man. Bruh, I put in a sell limit, right? It hit TP after I woke up. Going like when I woke up, I lost like hella, and then I'm like, wait, it hit TP, but it didn't take profit, you know? Like literally, it went past it. Yeah, it literally hit the take profit that I had, which was like I risked 10 for 10.
Right.
So my stop was 17, I think 77, and then my TP was 1775. It hit 1775. It went down to like 1773, but it didn't take it. I'm like, what the fuck? I hit him up. It's like slippage. I'm like, this is not no slippage situation.
Right. Yeah, I be feeling like brokers be on bull. I don't know. I ain't like I said. I ain't really had no problems with them. I don't know any other good brokers though. Any other like the brokers that I was talking about. They ain't even in this country. But like Vantage and Trader Domain.
I like Trader Domain.
I tried to sign up with them.
I miss US 30 though, man.
Oh.
I used to be a fiend, bro. The U30 fiend.
Like I want to learn how to trade US 30 better, but I'm just like focusing on EJ and DJ right now. I'm trying to get better at one pair.
I might go back to Osprey later on this year.
Yeah.
Maybe. I'll see. Cause I really like Osprey. FX. Shit hard. Yeah, turned up.
Tuesday, Thursday. Can't wait till the weekend. Keep so good.
What's up, chat? What trades y'all in now? Got any trades?
DJ flip bullish. Look like it's about to come up. Got a nice wick fill.
Yep, on that 30.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. I'm telling you, bro. If this runner hits TV today, bro, I'm finna be ear to ear smiling, bro.
How many pips is it gonna be?
Right now, 65 pips in. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you did say you got that at in Asian, I think.
Yeah, I got one in Asia and then one in London.
Nice.
The one in London that was hard though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, like I mean, London is pretty simple catching it, but like past 2 days it's been opening kind of weird for me. I don't know if it's really or not. Hella lit though.
Hasn't even been 15 minutes. That's how much.
New York about to open at 5.
Hey, that's what's up, June 12th. Wait, why June? Oh, Virginia Declaration of Rights? What the hell? What's up? I see.
I'll be back.
Yeah, but Nah, GG not doing tricks, man. Just doing what it do. Your friend.
We about to see next hour candle from the open.
Right. It's just a patient game, man.
I promise it is. Once people learn that about Forex, like it gets much simpler. Like when you
I'm
learn,
telling y'all, calm down. Calm down. Yeah.
Yo,
What up? What up? Hellcat or a demon? Duh, a demon. That'd be fast as hell. Zoom zoom.
they about to make another one.
Yeah.
It's like
They're
it's
gonna
called
make a faster one.
like
1,000. They're gonna make a 1,000
something.
horsepower one soon.
Yeah,
Bro, that's gonna be
crazy. Like a
I'm scared, bro.
muscle car with 1,000 HP.
Cause like demon already have 800 already. So 1,000.
I don't know. I think like.
Alright, guys, I'm back.
You can hear the coffee in his voice.
Alright, guys, I'm back here.
GJ should buy up
Yep,
here.
I'm gonna look for buys here. I was looking at my phone, watching the whole time.
Man,
I was watching this last stream. I'm like, yo, what are these guys talking about? I'm joking. I was trying to figure out what he was talking about. I tuned in.
nah, I was just trying to ask everybody like what trades in or
Oh.
whatever.
Yeah.
And like no one responded. I'm not getting that.
Yeah.
See how it is.
It is what it is, yo. It is what it is.
These what it
Oh
is.
shit.
8 a.m. Super Saiyan candle. Let's go, baby.
Not going to buy here.
Broly. Huh?
Bro, Broly's
No
finna
bottom
touch
wick.
Earth, bro.
Yeah, I
Y'all
know,
seen
no
that
bottom
green
wick.
star?
See though.
I don't know.
I got in a buy as it opened up.
Dang.
I got when I just.
I
I
missed
got when
it.
I was downstairs. This is my last attempt for a day on GJ.
Man, you could. I was thinking like a nasty anticipation move would have been buying when the 15 was in drawdown.
What happened?
If you could have got in like when the 15 was in drawdown,
Mhm.
and just anticipating that would just be a better entry for the hourly.
I'm trying to type this. Oh, the 15 minutes candle? The last 15?
Yeah,
Because it made like a nice.
never broke the low.
Mm-hmm,
Man, like bro, like when you just
Look.
look at it, like how the lower time frames just like feed into the higher time frames, it's crazy.
Yeah. As
Yeah,
long
that-
as it's
that
30 get
too.
respected, we good.
Yep, I got in a buy here, guys. Got in a buy here. Stop loss is. Oh, put the wrong stop loss. Stop loss is down here. 35, 628. There it goes. 1 hour close bullish. I'm expecting us to continue up here.
Amber.
It's also the last hourly candle of the 4 hour time frame. So this 4 hour time frame, I'm expecting a push here on this candle here. But man, if this 4 hour candle closes like this, bro, there's a wick fill too. But I think this last hourly candle of the 4 hour time frame should push up here.
And profit slightly.
Audi A8. That shit. Cue that card. Patience, man. Patient.
Yeah, it's the MI. You guys, also this is the MI open. So I'm expecting, yeah. So like I said, this goes back to the last 4 hour candle. So usually, so this is how candles move. So you have usually the last hour of the 4 hour candle. To make a huge push. Also the New York's about to open here. 1 hour closes bullish has support here. Made a support here. 1 hour broke the highs here. You know, 4 hours still bullish. Daily time frame is bullish. 30 minutes is closing bullish here above this resistance, above this range here. 15 minute is doing that as well. You know, so a lot of confirmation here for this buy. I'm expecting this candle to pop up like this. This resistance to the left shouldn't be an issue, but you can use that as an advantage. What I mean by that is you can move your stops to entry and do all that good stuff. So probably when you tap this target, probably gonna move stops to entry, let them run risk free, and this candle's gonna pop up like this. It's gonna be a one big candle. So this might be the same candle I talk about every day, what we talked about yesterday. This might be the doom candles, right? Meaning that if you don't get in here, you might be doomed for the next
The Doom candle.
once it actually breaks out. Yeah, I'd rather get in down here than when it actually breaks out.
Yeah.
If you want to be super cautious, guess you just wait for a breakout. My last attempt for a day. And GJ. Yeah, Doom
Super
candle,
Saiyan
bro.
candle, bro.
Doom candle.
The Super Saiyan candle. Let's see, what is wrong with my team?
Oh shit.
What up?
I'm in profiteer. Once price gets to, how many pips is that? Once price gets to this target. Okay, cool. Got my coffee here.
Boy.
Some good coffee, bro. Yo, do you guys prefer black coffee or sugar coffee?
It depends on the day, really.
Sugar coffee tastes better, but
I don't even drink coffee.
yeah, I don't drink coffee in there.
But I mean, it smells good.
Hold on, I'll be
love the
back.
smell of coffee.
Give me a second, guys.
You better go grab some sugar.
I'm gonna go talk to the market makers real quick, so BRB.
Oh yeah. Looking
Yeah, oh, don't leave me.
Don't leave me. I put in trade. You hit TP. Call that food trading. I put in sell on gold. I blow my account. Call that dumbass. Like, let's go. Come on, DJ. Don't be shy. Do your thing, baby girl.
Alright. What's up?
What up?
Nothing happened here?
I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing right now, bro.
Cool. Not seeing that I went bullish, would you consider that stop loss being too tight on a first call? No. So my stop losses, it could be 5 pips, it can be 4 pips, but it doesn't depend. It doesn't rely on just the like whatever I want it to be, right? So like let's say I have a 1 pip stop loss. I didn't put out 1 pip because I want 1 pip stop loss. It's just what the market gave me. This right here, we broke the lows here. So on this counter right here, we broke the lows. I answered a buy here. We broke the lows. So if you break the lows, obviously we have a high chance of continuing down on that candle, right? But obviously on this candle, we actually closed bullish on this candle, so we actually pushed up here. But of 1,000 times, whenever price breaks a low or price breaks a high, what happens? It has like a 80% of the time or 90% of the time, it usually goes that direction. So sure, this trade didn't go down to the next support, but on this single trade, but usually I'll say like 90% of the time, and usually that's what's gonna happen, right? So you kind of gotta do what happens majority of the time, you know. So like, I don't care that this, like, even if it stops and it came up, I don't really care for that. This trade right here is a whole different trade idea. This trade idea is based off the 1 hour time frame, right? I was kind of anticipating this whole move. So like if this first 15-minute candle closed bullish, I thought that this is gonna be a low for price to drive up, right? So this would be the hourly low, but then obviously price came down to break that low. So right, yeah, which means that the low is now down here. So this is the hourly low now, which is our stop loss now. But yeah, see how that played out there. But yeah, out of 1,000 times, you gotta ask yourself, what would you do in this situation? Like, would you close it? Because you're not trying to trade for one trade. You're trying to trade for like overall long term. Like you need a large sample size, right? So yeah, think long term. You can't just think, oh, for one trade, like, oh, I hit stop loss, but I came back to entry. Should I have had a bigger stop? No, I put my stops at the same candle every single time. Well, usually the lows, not the same candle, but like all the lows. See, the 1 hour stop loss is the low because the price breaks is low, so I continue down here to support. That means they're so bullish for gold to hit 876. If so, would it be a good buy entry right now? No, not right now. 1 hour close bearish. Buys will be probably once we come back in this range here. We actually close bullish in this range here, like this. Probably like something like this. Once we close like that, we can probably pop back in the range here and continue up bullish, like so. And then eventually, boom. Yeah, gold is no buy yet. No buy on gold yet. We have no confirmation yet. No buys at all yet. Yo, Sam, you took one trade during New York, or you took 2 trades today?
No, I took one trade. Took one trade during London, one trade during New York, and I think I took 2 trades during Asian.
I took yo, I remember one time during New York session I took like 40 trades. Holy shit, bro. It was the craziest day of my life. And you know what the craziest part is?
Wait, so you took 40 trades?
Yeah, like before, like back then, like when I first started, bro.
Damn, bro.
Bro, and I would make the excuse up and say I'm a hyper scalper. Holy shit. People be like, yo, why you over trading? I'm like, I'm a hyper scalper.
I'm a hyper scalper, bro.
That's my trading style. Boy, you over trading, bro.
Get your.
Nah, bro, you're just a hyper scalper.
You should go to 136,500. Yeah, I think. Yeah, so once you break above this level, I think. Well, as long as we respect this level today, I think we should go up. If we break this level today, we're probably gonna come back in the range here, and we won't have a chance of going up. Because if we do break below this ranger, the 4 hours gonna be bearish. So when the 4 hours gonna close bearish, and it's a New York Open, like the NYC Open, we're probably gonna pop down for the rest of the day, like, or stay in this range here. So nothing might happen today if we do break the low here.
So Don, how many cups of coffee you gonna need to do that 12-hour stream?
Bro, I think I'm gonna need like 4 coffees, bro. One for every 4 hours, 3 hours. No, 3 coffees. I'm tripping. 4, 8, 12. Yeah, every 4 hours get a coffee, probably.
Yeah.
Cause I don't like I can be alive when I'm trading. Like I'm not really dead, but I was tired. I'm tired. I don't know why I'm tired today, bro. Like I sound tired. I
Boy's got a COVID.
Like I slept at
Shit.
nah. I haven't been coughing or anything. I slept at like 12.
I heard cough.
Just chilling, but
Looking at.
All that brain power we using for Forex.
hey, look at USD CAD. Send me a chart. I'll look at it. I got you, bro. Send me a chart. Send me a label chart though with your analysis.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna get something to eat.
US news in what minutes? 18 minutes? Oh yeah, 8:30. Oh yeah, some news here. Forward candle GJ. What about it? Forward candle is currently bullish.
Yep.
If this forward candle closes like this, we're probably gonna pop out a nice candle like this. If this forward does close like this with a nice wick, we're probably gonna pop out and fill that wick. Go up.
Right.
But let's see. I was expecting this forward candle to close a bit stronger here. Right, so like this. Cool. Yeah, guys. So like, if you guys haven't known, my rule is usually just this is my rule. So I'll give you guys. I'll give you guys. So if I take I usually take around 2-3 trades, right? If I take 3 trades in a day, so Asian and New York combined. So if the first 2 are losses, and day, right? Actually no, I'm gonna put if I take 3 trades, if I take 1 win, 1 loss, and day, no third trade. If I take what else did I do? If I take 2 wins, 2 wins, I have a third opportunity to attempt another trade. Yeah, I'll attempt 1 more, right? Or I can just finish my day off. Usually that's what I do. And usually if I take 2 winning trades for the day, I usually end my day. Like yesterday I took 2 winning trades at the end of my day, right? So let me just put end day. Sometimes I do take a third trade, but it depends, right? After if I do, what else is there?
2 losses.
2 losses, then my day will be an end day. And that's usually my thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you avoid overtrading.
This is yeah. So or if I do like I think break even as well. Let's see.
Yeah, break even.
Let's see.
Like break evens, or like a loss and a break even.
2 break evens. I'll take 1 trade and that's it. 1 trade only, right? After a break even trade, 2 break even trades or 1 break even trade, I only take 1 trade. After 1 break even trade, I think hold on, let me just put 1 break even trade is usually I take I take 2 trades. This is usually what I do. Usually why you know, I don't write it down. It's just a mental thing, but this is how I stay disciplined. I take 3 trades per day, and that's usually what I do. There, so. Yeah, because like I always keep my loss still small. Like you're never gonna see Dawn with a loss of like 30 plus pips. Like you know, you're not gonna see that big of a loss. This just doesn't make sense. Like some people, man, they have stop losses like right here, in the middle of candles. Like I don't know, I don't get it. Cause like it's just kind of useless, right? It's just extra stuff that you don't need. Like once price breaks is low, that should be your stop. It's gonna continue down further. Why do you need to stop down here when you know that price breaks is low? It's gonna come down to that. You know, it's like a disadvantage. You're giving yourself a disadvantage here. You're losing more than you should. But yeah, that comes with a lot of I think the most important thing in trading, guys, is just managing your risk, managing your being consistent, and managing your risk in your trade. Oh, we're entering the second 30-minute candle of the first hourly candle. We should get a push here if we do go up here. Remember that line, Sam? That's a famous Dawn line.
What?
If the first, we're entering the second half of the hourly candle. Like you know,
Oh, yeah.
if it's like not moving and like, it's like a doji at the second half of the hourly candle, we should get a push usually.
Yo, why everyone's so quiet, bro? Not down, John.
It might flip bullish before it closes. I mean, before the next one open.
Let's see. Yeah, we have like 10 minutes left. If it closes bearish, 30 minutes, I'm probably gonna close. 15 close bearish. 1 hour still open though. Let's see.
Yeah, I closed. 30-minute close bearish too. That's thank you. Like I said, keep the losses small. Small. Trade management people. No.
Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna close here. Closing this trader, guys. I got 3 pips. I'm gonna wait for an actual breakout. Hold on. The 15-minute did close bearish. Or right to. Yeah, I closed -3 pips here, guys, on DJ. So trade 2. And that's how you keep your losses small, right? The first 15-minute closing bearish on an hourly time frame, that could be the high for price to go down, right? But I'd rather just be safe and just wait for a natural breakout now, because that 15-minute that closed bearish here, that could show you a sign that price could continue to come down here. So I do not want to be in that position. Not comfortable being in that position. And that's how you keep your losses small, guys. So if GG does come down here and hit your stop loss and you're still in the sells and you're still in the buys, then you know it is what it is. But I closed here -3 pips. If GG does come up here, I would just be chilling still. I'm gonna wait for an actual breakout of this range here on GJ, something like this, right? Because the first 15-minute candle of the hourly did close bearish, right? So if you look left on GJ, there's like kind of like a clear move coming down to the support. So once price breaks above these levels here, we should be good to go up. Isn't it possible to break the lows but not continue in that direction though? Yeah, so usually like on like a smaller time frame, price could break lows, but on a higher time frame, price would respect that low. So for example, if the 15-minute could break lows all at once, but the 1 hour will still be respected, right? It happens all the time. But yeah, the higher time frame, the higher time frame this might be confusing, but the higher time frame usually takes over the smaller time frame, but the smaller time frame leads up to the higher time frame. I don't know if that makes sense for you guys, but that's how like
It just makes sense. It makes
I
sense,
do,
man.
but like what he's saying is like whenever we anticipate and stuff, like when you anticipate, look at the lower time frame to see where the bigger time frame is going to tell us where to go, but the bigger time frame is going to tell us where it's going to go regardless. So like he said, like Jay going to touch 139 regardless because that's what the higher time frame is doing, but we can
just
see how it's
use
going
the
to get
bigger
there
time
on the
frames
smaller
for
ones.
finding the trend of like their day or whatever, and then the small time frames, if everything adds up, then you just
like when we watch the higher highs break on the lower time frames and make support on the lower time frames, it all leads up to the big ones. That's how. So
yeah,
it's
like story.
I get what you're saying, though.
Yeah.
Step-by-step process.
Yeah, it just takes if I ever explain, it'll take me a minute.
Yeah,
guys, GJ is breaking the lows here.
I want to write that down. Say how you said it again.
The bigger time frame takes over the smaller time frame, but the smaller time frame leads to the bigger time frame.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, guys, 15-minute broke the lows here, and if you look left, kind of like a clear traffic move down here. So I'm not comfortable staying in my buys here, right? So I was in this buy before the 15-minute candle did close bearish here, right? After, like I said, after every candle, you want to put yourself in the best position. What would I do if I was in a sell here? Obviously, I'll prefer to be in a sell here, right? But I'm not gonna be in a sell right now because the hourly is still bullish. But like in this scenario, I would not want to be in a buy. Is what I mean, right? Because this 15 closed bearish. I'm expecting this 15-minute candle to close bullish here, price to go up, but it closed bearish, so there's no sign for me. There's no confirmation at all for me to go up here. I think once we break above these levels here, we should be good to go up. But GG might just range today for a little bit. Might be that type of day. It's a Thursday, right? So, yeah. Manage your loss. Keep your losses short and your winners big.
And that's what people got to get in mind. That's why I guess this is such a good trading style because like even though like, you already like 70 to 80% profitable and the losses are small and the winners are big, so like not really losing.
Yeah.
When you trade like this, exactly. You know your candles, man. You know your time frame.
Yeah. Those are absolutely, here's the thing. Yeah, after every single candle closes, so let's say you take a trade, right? So let's say you're bullish on GJ. You're bullish on GJ, sure, right? But if the chart's not showing you bullish signs, are you still gonna be bullish? Like you're bullish overall, but like are you gonna be in a buy? The market's not gonna show you signs of bullish momentum. Like I'm bullish on GJ still, right? But there's just no buys right now. And like when a candle doesn't close my favor, why do I still want to be in that buy? I'm not gonna force myself to be in a buy that has a high probability of hitting the stops once it breaks a certain low or once it closes in a certain direction, right? So in this case, I wouldn't want to be in this situation at all. I would not be comfortable taking a bias, being in bias here because the 15 did close bearish and we're actually breaking the lows here. And see how we came down to this support here? See? Just you just gotta keep your losses small, man. I'm telling you, these are ways to keep your losses small. Looking at every single candle that closes and figuring out what would you do in this situation. And if it doesn't line up for analysis, if it doesn't make sense, then just get out. Because like you rather cut your losses short than actually let your stop loss hit. And I don't just mean like, oh, if you're in drawdown, close it. That's not keeping your losses small. That's just called being scared. This is not being scared. This is when a candle doesn't close in your favor, and if the trade doesn't make sense. Like for example, if I wasn't in a buy here, sells would be good here, right? Because this candle closed bearish at resistance, and now this candle is gonna pop down and fill its range here because this is a clean traffic move. So why would I still want to be in a buy? Now it's coming down to the support, and this is how you keep your losses small, right? This is exactly how you keep your losses small. So you know that trade only took a 3 pip loss instead of a potential 10 pip loss. So we saved about 3/4. And now we're about to hit stop, our original stop, see? But we got out at -3 pips.
It's better to close.
That was a
Late
perfect
loss,
example of how the
that
smaller
way.
time frame lead up to the bigger one, though.
Yeah.
Or at least like a bigger time frame kind of.
Oh my god, these messages. It's always like this. I lost so much money to this scammer before, but then when I met this person, they helped me recover that and made me $100,000 in the markets in 1 week and 6 days. God damn, bro.
Yeah.
Like brown fit. Okay, so people put these messages all the time in the comments. Do you really think people are gonna? Oh, Jay deleted it. But do you really think people are really gonna fall for your stuff, bro? If you're just messaging everyone saying, "Well, I got scammed from this person, and now I'm making this much now, and the amount of this and that," you think people are gonna fall for it, man? No, it's not gonna work.
Not now.
So you know,
Right.
like,
People
industry
will
changing.
throw out like the most highest returns. They expect you like you to
oh,
trust them. Like
I made this amount of money today. I mean, I lost about $5,000 today, but then the next week I made $140,000 within 4 days.
easy,
Easy money, bruh.
No. Bruh.
easy money.
Like I'm just asking, like there's a lot of scammers out there, but like, do you really think people will fall for that stuff, man?
Not anymore.
Man,
The industry's changing. So it's true.
like
I've seen it.
people message me all the time. Do you want free followers? Do you want promo? Do you want this? I'm like, no, man, I don't want it. I can just ignore them. Or like, I see that you're doing Forex. Do you want to sign up under my this? It's like, man, I don't know.
I have an automated trading system.
That has a 94.5% win rate. Oh man.
And then they get talking about what you gotta buy. And it's like,
Can you turn my $5 into 50,000?
Sounds good. Sounds good.
it sounds good.
Sounds
Like-
good. Sounds good.
Like, I could turn your $5 into 50,000 within 4 days if you.
If you follow my algorithm at this link in my suspicious bio. Look at
Take 30 minutes in the open.
step 1, $75. Step 2, I blow $5 in the trade. Think about it.
I didn't say, I'm gonna post a highlight video later, but it's not gonna be on a win. It's gonna be on how to keep your losses small. And it's gonna be this exact example here. So tune in, guys, for that little video. It's gonna be a short Instagram video. It's not gonna be a YouTube video, but it's gonna be kind of should help you guys a lot. Cause I think a lot of traders out there, they don't really like talk about the losses, like not even like the good stuff about the losses, like keeping your losses short. I just like talk about our wins, post our profits. But I feel like, you know, if I just post a video of how to keep your losses small, that will help. It'll help you a lot more than actually learning how to like keep your winners big. So it'll save you in the long run a lot more. 'Cause people could
Save
control their
me.
wins, but they can't control their losses, right? I think like not enough traders just do a good job of showing you guys how to keep losses small. Or like usually they say like, oh, if you're in drawdown, close the trade. Like it just doesn't make sense, right? But this is like a perfect example of how to keep your losses small. Perfect. I'm gonna post up later. Step 175. Yeah, guys. You know, just ask yourself, out of 1,000 times, what would you do in this situation? Out of 1,000 times, what would you do? Yeah, you've just been ranging all stream. I think five. Yeah, these three counts have just been in a range here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is just wait for a breakout time.
Yeah. It's in the range. Do not touch
How is
it.
Brown Fit still talking here? Hold on, let me just remove him. There you go. Oh man. Well, no, because ranges for me, I rather get entry in a range. But like, there's the difference though. There's ranges that you can trade, and ranges that you could trade. For example, this is a range that you can trade though. This range right here that we had here. Those are the tradable range for me. There's a difference though. There's different types of ranges, right? For like example, this. Would you rather have entered here? Because yesterday we entered here. Would you rather enter here or enter once you break out this range here?
Hey.
This is a perfect example. This is a range. But which range looks better here? Would you rather enter after this candle closes or after this candle closes? Because these are all closing candles. They're all closed. These are fully closed.
You used to answer me.
I entered this candle now, and this is the exact same candle I entered after yesterday. And this one didn't play out because this one has no range to go up, right? It's just once you it's a lot of anticipation. It's more of anticipation. If this is the low of the range, price gonna come back to break that low if it wants to go up. Obviously, if okay, so this is a different scenario. But if this were to happen here, if this were to happen right here, like this, if we were to actually come back in the range for a second time, retest the lows, then like, you know, this would be different now because now we're just like ranging for a longer time period. But like if these are just like a couple candles here that form the resistance, they form the support, this should be a low for price to go up like this and close bullish like that. But if like we actually come back down to range here and do just range a little more, then this is not a tradable range. So now this would be a strong range. This would be a strong resistance and strong support. So there's no trade here. But if it's just like a couple candles, yeah, you can probably pop up. So there's like a little difference there in the range. This range is more tradable range, right? It was only like a resistance was formed, now support's formed. We technically didn't break the 1 hour low yet. So let's see what happens here. If this is a low, guys, if this is a 1 hour low and price breaks the 30-minute high here, we should probably pop up here. Yeah, be no wick. Yeah, you guys know. I'm gonna do another trivia later. I'm trying to figure something out. DJ flying. Yeah, I think once it breaks 30-minute high, it should be good here. Like here, for example, I should know. Never mind. Yeah. Never mind, guys. False alarm. Yeah.
Okay. Yo. Thought everyone just dipped on me. I'm like, bro, come on, girl, not again. Not again.
Yeah, man, people just come for the pips.
Nah, man. It's crazy. don't stay for freaking knowledge, man.
No, like if you have a win day, these comp. If you have like losses, it's just like these dip.
Man, this man ass. I'm gonna
Yeah,
see better
and the next day
streams.
they're like, "Whoa, fuck! I didn't come on stream today. You took a loss
Look,
yesterday."
as soon as they leave, we make the big trade. They hear about it the next day. Oh my
Yeah,
god, I
like yo,
should've
man,
never left.
once we catch it, once we breaks this thing here, bro, we're gone
Once it
here.
breaks this range,
And you'd be like, "Damn, man, I missed the whole move."
God
Well,
damn,
goddamn, you weren't
should've
here
stayed.
for all the.
Should have stayed in the goddamn chat. Oh my god. I done lost too when I watched another streamer. Should have stayed. But yeah, bro. I think that was an eye opening, man.
Which
When you told me about the keep a loss small.
yeah,
I respect that, man. Live by it.
I think like it's like I think when people keep
Yeah,
losses small is that people just think that if they're in drawdown,
Yeah.
they get out. Like that's just your emotions, man. At this point,
Yeah.
like you're supposed to show what you see, right? So like you gotta put yourself in the best situation every single candle, after every single candle closes.
Yeah.
That's so important, man. I'm telling you, I didn't know. Like I didn't learn that. I didn't learn that when I was coming up as a trader. No one told me that.
And then
I just
you
used
taught me
how I felt.
about patience and whatnot. I respect that. Hella. I used to just be loosey goosey, but I calmed down now, man.
Yeah, I can tell you did. Yeah, a lot of emotions. Like this last month too.
Good. I don't know, bro. I just had one of those days. So I was like, all right, I'm just instead of,
So just continue to do what you do every day. Do the same thing, Keep following your rules. Man, I'm telling you, the longer you follow your rules every day, the what is it? What's the saying again? Every day that you break your rule is another day you're at your job.
Yeah.
Think about
Every
like that.
SL is another day at
No, not SL. SL is fine, but like every time you break a rule, because you can hit SL and you can just it'll be a high
Basically,
probable trade.
The more dumb decisions, the more longer you can be at your job.
Yeah. The more you overtrade, the more you over leverage, the more that myself as a new trader, the more you do that, guys, the longer it's gonna take you to learn. You gotta drop those things.
Back 10 steps every single time, like you said.
Yeah.
Like, bro, I used to, man. Y'all don't really
Back
want
at
to know
9 to 5.
Y'all don't even want to know the half, bro. Yo, Don, someone just asked a question.
You ever see yourself working on an I5? Not anymore. I quit last October.
This man Don threw the Canadian money at them. Fuck y'all. Get your money up, not your funny up.
Yeah. This is my 9 to 5 right here. This is my 9 to 5 here. Actually no, this is my 6 to 9 a.m. Not p.m. So I removed the p.m. because this saves a lot more time. You see, man, cause bro, 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. That's a long shift, man. So I cut down to a.m. I made it 3 hours.
Means, man. Patient.
You guys, 30-minute error broke the highs here. 30-minute close bearish here. Would you want to be in this trade right now for buys? Guys, I know some days the market's ranging, and shooting's kind of boring, but we gotta make the best out of it. So cause like if you just watch range all day on the streams, man, obviously nobody wants to watch your range, right? But you gotta make the best of every stream. So you gotta just provide that knowledge. Cause ranges, bro, you can't do nothing about it, man. You can't change it or nothing. The thing about trading is that when it's lit, it's lit. When it's lit, like there's volatility in the market, there's a lot of movements. But when it's dead, you can tell it's ranging, man. Like right now it's dead, and you can't really do anything about it, but just watch it. because I can't just end the stream, you know. I do this every
Watching
day.
and waiting right now. So.
Yeah. This
We are
range will
hunters.
test your patience.
We are hunters, man. We wait.
You charge in gems, so you win-win. Yeah, that makes sense too. Yeah. I feel like a lot of people get bored, man. Like, man, this guy talk too much. You know the vibes. So you know what I'm gonna do, guys? Time to pull this up, guys. You know, you know the vibes. I'm gonna pull this up right here. Oh, what the hell? There we go. Is he on a show?
People are
There we go.
tripping about wearing a mask in public. I'm dead.
Alright, guys, we're gonna pull this game up and we're gonna play some games here because this is a range.
Alright.
we're gonna go to the real ranges here. The real ranges here. The shooting ranges here.
Yeehaw.
Yeah, markets range 70% of the time, and that's how swing traders like. That's I think honestly, that's why swing traders like they swing because they trade. They're just in a range, and like they don't like when they're swinging. They just wait for range. Like they're in a bias from like let's say for example they're in a bias from Monday. Half of the time they're in ranges, man. And how much higher did you go up ever since then? My pips since Sunday opening. About like 173 pips, and we caught 140 pips on GJ, just scalping every day for 3 hours. Was it really worth it to scalp and just hold all those swap positions for the whole week?
So, Enrique, how do you deal with growing account versus withdrawing? Withdrawing, like you see your money. And
Okay,
see
you
the
give your
money.
view on it. I'll give my view on it.
Okay.
If
My
you don't have a
view-
view, just but yeah, it's,
Growing the account, yeah. It's like this. When you withdraw money, just know, like, you can literally feel the money. Like, it's gonna be used. It's in your bank account, you know? But when it's in your account, you can't touch it, you know? Like, it's just there. So if you mess it up or lose it, you just straight up lose it. But once it's in your bank account, you can just use it on whatever you want because it's yours and you earned it. So, just like, I don't know. For me, I'm trying to withdraw like every week or every 2 weeks, you know? Just get the withdrawals in. All right, your turn.
man said my turn. Well, yeah. So think to yourself. Ask yourself this question: when you go to a grocery store, what does the cashier ask you? How many pips did you cash today, or how would you like to pay? And that should be your answer. That's the answer. All right. Think about that.
Yeah.
You just think about that.
J-
I kept
just-
it short.
just-
But think about it. When you go pay for groceries at a grocery store, does the cashier ask you how many pips did you cash today, or how would you like to pay? And that should be the answer for all that.
Oh,
So, you know, if you get into detail here, cashier asks me anything I steal, bruh.
I'm dead. Just think about it like this: you cannot pay with things with your trading account
Here,
until it's out your trading account.
if you're just
That's it.
trading to flip your Forex account, why are you trading?
Why? Trying to
There-
press people? Or what?
If you're not making actual withdrawals, okay, it's a difference though. If you're not making gains, that's a difference. That's just you need more experience, right, to actually make gains. But if you become to the point where you could become consistent, week in, week out, for me personally, I make one at the end of every month, and sometimes every other week, right? So that's usually me. But I wouldn't like withdraw like the entire account. I would withdraw like maybe 70% of my profits or something like that. 80% of my profits. Depends. It's different for everyone. It depends on how you feel. Depends on what you gotta deal with. You gotta pay for it, all that good stuff. But yeah, that's how I do it. But with trading, man, it doesn't feel real until it's actually in your bank. Like $5, like okay, so $20 in your bank is different from $20 in your account. Same with $1,000. It's $1,000 in your account, sure, but when it's in your bank, it's different. It's different. And when you're actually spending it in cash, like taking on cash, holding it.
Take
Oh,
it
I'm
out.
buying this pair of shoe here. Boom, pay for it. I made this money off Forex. You can say that.
Dang.
And that's gonna feel
Dang,
way
you're
better than saying I have a $1,000 account on my MT5 account. I know what nobody cares about. And you can't really, you have no use of it except for
Right.
flipping it, right?
Mhm.
And now it comes to a turn where people like flipping accounts, and when it comes to trading, I give a tip out. Don't think of Forex as just like just don't try to flip accounts, because when you start to flip accounts, your main goal is to flip accounts and adding more into that account instead of adding more to your actual real bank account, right?
Build your
That's how I
account, then
say.
your trading account.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because people are just way too focused on just flipping the hell out of that account and then without making any withdrawals. Because they feel like if they make a withdrawal, they'll make a dent to their MT5 account. But really, they're just making a dent to their bank. Because nothing's going back in their bank. See? When something goes back in your bank, a dent from the MT5 account goes to your real life account. Instead of your fake life account. Well, which is MT5. Not really fake, but your fake life account, right?
Yeah. Because the thing is,
'Cause, yo,
you can't build such a trading account.
Yeah, you can. The question doesn't have some type of MT5 server payment. That'd be sick though. MT5 server payment. No one would make withdrawals.
Bitcoin. Yeah. GJ sells. Shit. I don't know. What do you see?
Yeah. So yeah, we're bringing this lower here. We have a high chance coming down here. It's just that I don't want to take any sells today. I took 2 buys today. And that might be my day there. 13 pips for a day. Negative 13 pips. And I'm fine with that. Totally fine with that.
Dang, me and Don is like little baby and gun.
Yo, if this 4-hour close is bullish.
Yeah.
Oh god, okay. If this 4-hour close is bullish, and this 1-hour close is below the Ranger. Wait, what's the 4-hour low here?
4-hour low.
135, 570?
Yeah.
570. Oh, right there. Okay, so if the 1-hour close is bearish here, like this, below the Ranger, right? And the 4-hour close is bullish. Man, this could be a fake out because GJ can pulse back up in the Ranger later on, like this. Oh my brother, we are gonna go up to fill the range and then eventually pop out to continue on bullish. That's if the 4-hour actually closes bullish.
Oh.
Closes bullish, yeah. But if that 1-hour closes bearish and the 4-hour closes bullish, the higher time is gonna take over because the day time frame is still bullish, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, this could potentially happen. So I'm not gonna take sells. If you do break out belows, I'm just gonna ignore it. If you do break back in the range, I'm gonna look for more buys later on. But I might just end my day here. With those 13 pip losses. I'm still stream though. Yeah, but you see the difference between today and yesterday? No volume today. Yesterday was more volume. Yesterday was more lit.
Yeah.
Yesterday we had more views. It was more lit.
Yeah.
But it was just better. Yes. Yeah. Let's see. 9 o'clock supposed to open here. Let's see what happens there. This is a nice range though. Nice even range. Nothing too crazy. I guess what I could have done better too was just spot this fake out here. Right here. I should have spot this. This candle right here. Close bullish above the range. This candle right here. Close back in the range. This candle here continuing down here. And then boom. This candle should continue down here. But yeah, I wasn't looking for stalls anyways, but I should have seen that a bit clearer. Yeah. Session Preva, session longevity. Actually, last week did actually. Last week, man, I had a bad week. Not a bad week. It was a break-even week, but it wasn't a loss week. It was a winning week. It was like a break-even, small winning week, right?
Weeks.
But it's just that right there, and compared to this week, showed a perfect example of longevity, long term.
Longevity.
Like, oh, longevity. I'm tripping. What did I say?
You said longevity. I'm like, what, sir? Longevity?
I'm tired, bro.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Longevity. Yeah. So. Yeah, that's a perfect example, right there. I took the same trades as I would take any other day. Trade at the same time every day. Didn't switch to London because London had the most moves. I stayed with New York session opening because New York was the most consistent and profitable for me for the past couple months here. And you know what happened? I didn't have a good week. But you know what happened this week? I did the same exact thing, and what happened this week? Complete turnaround. And what happened in the month of June? The whole month of June, 4 losses. You gotta think long term. One trade 1 week does not determine your trading.
Just like yesterday, man. We was talking about all yesterday.
Yeah.
It's like one bad shot does not mess up your whole career. Okay. Unless it's fine. It's fine.
Don't you just say when there are 2 fakers in the range? Yeah. So stay up for a day.
double
Yeah.
fakey.
But yeah, there's only 1 fake out here.
Yeah. So we
There's only
good.
one. But usually, when there's like, because this is not really a fake on a 1 hour time. This is not a fake out. This is a regular range. This is a smaller fake out. But like,
per week.
bro, the second fake out the second fake out is usually the fake out that plays out. And I think Robert witnessed it live with me. He learned that day. And I know he didn't. I know you didn't forget that day. The double fake out day. We caught the buys after or something.
That was a sell.
Yeah.
Or sells. Yeah, the
Yeah,
sells.
it was sells. It was like
It was
that
news
London
too.
session went down. It went up a
Mhm.
little, and then
Came back
like
in the range. New York session
came
came
back
down.
in the range and
Yeah.
then dropped. That was the one that was the Market Maker 2 video.
Oh.
Yeah, that was Market Maker 2 video. Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Where's that?
That was the second Market Maker video. I forgot the day, but it was the second one.
Oh, here. This one. This trade.
Big sells?
It's the second Market Maker.
This is
Oh,
this is
second.
you break this 50 minute
I think-
keep
yeah,
sells.
that's the
Yeah.
second one. That's the
Body
second.
sells? That's it.
Yeah, if you break this 50 minute
Yeah, that's
only
the
if you
one.
break
That's
it.
the one.
This is a trade I'm very comfortable with. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
because we waited like 2.5 hours for this trade, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This trade.
We still caught our
Yeah.
pick, though.
About to be in here. Oh, there goes. That's all
Like,
there.
20, 30.
Currently in the south.
Oh, we waited.
I gotta be
Green
back
touching
in
like
like 2 minutes.
7:30.
I'm gonna get some water. Yo,
No,
that
it
was
was like.
I'm
it was
I'll call the Market Maker real quick.
longer
It wasn't this?
It was 8.
No, it was that one. I'm just
No,
saying,
how
like, that
many
moved
is
to
GJ?
like 8 to 1.
Alright, so your request for GG has been approved.
like-
7 where I'm at.
I need the next couple minutes here. Oh, push down here, nice. About 5%
Yeah,
profit.
this was it.
Perfect. Boom, stop the entry here on GJ. Alright guys, 10% profit. I'm closing half my positions are on GJ. Closing half, make sure I close half. Boom, close, stop the entry. Secure 10 tips here. Boom. Boom. Bada bing. Bada boom.
I went platinum again.
Oh, cover right. Yeah, but yeah. That was a nice move there.
That was a double figgy.
Yo guys, question, chat,
What's up?
question. Would you guys prefer these photos on Instagram or these short videos, highlight videos? What do you rather prefer?
Mm,
Cause these give a lot of knowledge. I'm not sure people actually read them though, but these give a
I
lot.
like the mix because when you make the videos, you can actually see it play. Like
Yeah.
when you edit it
Yeah,
and
this.
stuff.
That's like.
But the
you can
notes
do a
help
mix.
too, though. The notes help too. But
I think you should do videos because people like. You know,
yeah,
it's gonna be
videos.
easier for them.
And plus, when you do like the questions on Instagram, those be nice too.
Yeah.
'Cause it makes people like actually think about the phrase instead of just thinking about techniques and shit.
Yeah.
Because I think people.
Like-
people are more like visual learners than
Mm-hmm.
readers. And if they see it visually, they'll probably gonna remember it
Clean
more.
traffic candles here.
Than,
You
actually like reading.
Attach
it
some
and
notes to
whatnot.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they can be like, oh, okay, I see how you set up the trade, how you
Yeah.
executed it. Yeah. They actually learn.
Yeah.
I don't know.
But like the highlight videos, I can only provide like a short clip. Like I gotta make the best of the 1 minute clip, because if it's longer than a minute, it's gonna be an IGTV video, and I'd rather just prefer like a short video, like not a 40-second video, 50-second video. So it's gonna be a clammed up. It won't give like the best breakout like analysis, but then that's where you should do your job and come to the streams, I guess. The highlight videos are just there for just the highlights, the highlights of the day. Look at this channel, guys. Look at this channel. Look at this YouTube channel.
So
It's,
if this current candle flips, it's a done deal. All I gotta say.
look at my old look at this oil. This is the biggest. This is the last swing trade I've ever taken. The biggest one. Look at the monthly time frame. We made support. We broke below this candle here. Now we come down to the next support. This is the monthly time frame. Look at this is the monthly. Look at this perfect setup right here. Monthly time frame. We had a nice clean traffic candle here to the left, and we caught this whole oil move down. It's like 500 pip move. Some crazy
Right.
crazy pip move here. The last swing trade I ever took. I didn't swing trade after that day.
How come you don't do
But
it
the
anymore?
same things occur.
A man's is impatient.
The same rules occur. You know,
Same rules with the candles. That's why I got
if this is a if this is a 15-minute time frame, I'll take a sell here too. Same thing occur. Pips don't matter to me. It's the move that matters. Yeah, why don't I swing? Because it just the scalps is out to the swings for me personally. I don't know. Sure, you might get that one day where you can get like a nice like 500 pip move, but like it's just I don't know. I just rather prefer to scalp and make my way up from there. Yeah. Well, this is all value here, guys. Like all this is all value here. All value. Took the time and every day to make a nice video for you guys.
Flip bullish and then that bit finna zoom.
Well, it's 5 minutes. It's close to 5 minutes here. Yeah.
So if it flips, bro, I'm telling you, it's gonna do a digital dash, bro. I'm telling you.
30 minutes and close bullish. 4 hours and close bullish.
Hour bullish.
Let's see. Yeah.
I'm telling you, if it flips.
We didn't break the lows yet.
Yeah, we good. Would you recommend? No, Eli, no chain oil.
Oh no, not for Jimmy. Jimmy, guys.
Bad.
I'm not even gonna mink Jimmy, but like, Jimmy, I can tell him. Just one story. No, it's not about your loss. It's something else. This guy Jimmy. One day he woke up as a Houdini. He said it was like a Monday. It was a Monday night, right? And he said, guys, on Friday night at 10 p.m., oil was gonna shoot up. He said the most Houdini, the most anticipated move of the century, bro. He said on a Monday night at 10 p.m. on a Friday, guys, oil was gonna shoot up. And how me and Sam were just like, what? It was like the funniest thing. I'm like, bro, what? Yeah, and then that was so funny, bro. I swear.
Houdini Jim.
Jimmy the Houdinis.
I'm telling you, that shit shot up like hella too. It was after that crash, and I'm like, bro, buy it that night of the crash, and then the next morning, bro, that bitch shot up like 50.
Jimmy, so you never touched oil after that day?
Nope, never touched no oil.
You got to work. I remember that exact day.
Yeah, bro.
This guy said, "All right, bye, young newbie."
Yo, that was the most saddest ride home ever, bro.
I was like, this guy's heartbroken. It's like, wow.
Yo, I ain't turn on no music, no nothing, bro. I was just driving. I'm like, bro, that was the most sad.
This guy was angry for 4 hours. Yo, this guy drove down in car 4 hours straight, and angry as hell.
Bro,
he squinted.
That 10-minute, that 20-minute drive felt like hours, bro. I'm like,
I was
pain, bro.
This guy said pain 1993.
1993. After that, no more.
I'm in pain.
No more oil for me.
Well, you can trade oil. Nothing is wrong with trading oil. You can trade it. I used to trade it as well. Nothing's wrong. I just focus on US30 now. I mean,
I'm playing though, bro. Oil is good. It's just you got catch on impulses.
It's the same analysis, right? So like, look, let's see where oil's gonna go today. Because Locke just asked me, yo, Don, what's oil gonna do today? And every day he would ask me, and oil just here. I think oil's gonna come to this target today. This is the next target for oil. Not today, but next target, 45 probably.
Yeah.
I think once you break above this range here.
Oil news come out today, right? I think it's like inventories. Oh yeah, never mind. That was yesterday, I think.
Yeah, it was just huge range. How long been ranging for her? Oil's been ranging ever since that day. Ever since May, man. Been ranging since like June, man. Yeah, it's been strong resistance.
Look at Tesla, boy. This ain't Elon making big boy move, cuz.
He bought his own stocks?
Nah, like he jumped from 1.1K from Monday.
What's that?
That wasn't even Monday. That was Wednesday. And now it's at 1.3. My goodness. This is Elon in his Birkin right now. All right. Bro, the first thing you see when you look up Tesla, someone asks the question, why is Tesla dropping? And the answer was he tweeted that his price is too high. Buying the next 1 hour candle on GJ.
Let's see how it closes there. Let's see. Me personally, I might be done. think if you break this high, you could attempt something. Because the 4 hours thing will be bullish, right? So here. If the next hourly candle does something like this, if someone closes bearish, right? Next hourly candle closes, breaks a high, and makes a bond wick, or makes a low to go up, and we continue up here, like this, say like this, and pop up. Then you can say that this is a low of the 4 hour time frame to go up, because then the 4 hour will make it, well, because the 4 hour is about to close there. So if this is the next 4 hour candle, it could pop like this to get a wick fill. This wick fill has a high chance of playing out. So I think once you break the highs here, you should be good to go up here for GJ. Yeah, I think once you break the high, you should be good to go here.
Yep.
Man, this wick fill. So GJ, like I'm probably gonna end the stream soon, right? Because I'm kind of tired. I'm not really gonna trade it. But I think GJ has a high chance of filling this wicker and eventually popping up to break the high, something like this.
Or carry a new high.
Yeah, something like this.
Yeah.
This is like a nice 60-bit move here on GJ. So.
Oh, someone said what's the target? So the target is, my friend.
I said it already. 136, 339. Weekly target is 138 still. But we really need this push today. You need to push today for tomorrow to go up. Because obviously, if you're gonna push today and we continue bearish here, we're probably not gonna push to 138 this week. But if we push up to 136 today and we close at 136 today, that's gonna lead us to 138 tomorrow on Friday.
Yeah, 135 is a strong area.
Yeah.
So yeah, you know, once it's out of here, it's out of here, man.
But yeah, guys, I think my day is done here. I took 2 trades today, took 2 losses, but I'm happy because I kept my losses small. Right? That first trade, the second trade kept the losses small. 3 pips on that trade. 3 pip loss. So, you know, even if you take a loss, guys, you guys gotta understand. You guys have to make the best out of it. You know, don't get bummed out. You took a loss. You know, be happy because you kept the losses short.
You know,
Because if you just take a loss and you just ignore the fact that you took a loss, it's not gonna get you anywhere, man, at all.
or you take a loss and try to make it back with a bigger lot next.
Yeah, it's
Do that,
not gonna
don't do
work.
that.
It's not gonna
Don't
work.
do that. I know that for experience. Don't do that.
Be happy because you kept the losses small today. Be happy because you knew how to manage risk today. Because in the future, when you take a narrow loss and you keep that same routine of keeping your losses small, it's gonna save you a lot of capital in the long-term run.
Good session. Yeah, it's alright.
The market was different. Yeah, it was different yesterday. The market is different today. The market will be different tomorrow. Right? Yeah, exactly. June 7th, June 12th, 1976. You said so yourself. Market's gonna be different tomorrow. You know?
Way better.
It's not gonna be. It might. I don't know. Who knows? It might be rangy. It might be the same. Who knows? But
It's unemployment.
tomorrow's a
tomorrow.
different day. Yeah. We got news tomorrow.
Yeah, CAT, employment change.
Oh, cat news. Okay, cool. Yeah. So.
You know, employment rate. I don't know. I ain't never shared that before. But you know, I don't touch CAT, so I think that really matters.
But yeah, guys.
Yeah.
I appreciate everyone for showing up today. Couldn't take it up today, but we kept the losses short. So that's a win. That's a win in my books. So other than that, guys, catch it tomorrow. And
We
you
got
guys
some
better show up
sessions
tomorrow, because if tomorrow, man, if we catch us at 100 pips tomorrow, you better not be like, man, I wasn't there tomorrow. So make sure to show up tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday lesson. So catch you guys later, and
Remember where your mask.
Yes.
Sanitize your hands, man.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
peace, yeah.
Yep.